Welcome back to SoFi Stadium. Looks like there's some kind of a snack bar here. Let's look at this canopy. It looks like it is about the same. Is it about the same? Yeah. Which is, provide some kind of, I don't know, shade for these escalators. See some of the blue lights starting to come on around sunset. And we've got SoFi Stadium sign completion. So they have now covered up what last time you could see the guts of some of the lighting elements, LED lights or whatever it is. So it's just a plain white. I thought maybe the SoFi part would have been blue. I don't see any blue accents as well, so plain white, but for sure it's going to light up, and we'll see what color that actually will transpire. Like there's some things obstructing the view now, but before I had noticed they had put up some panel TVs. There's one there. There's a few others that would go around that bar building, so you can watch the game while you're waiting for your drink. And we're still gonna wait and see when these street signs are gonna light up and have messages and things. So it was announced a couple of days ago or so that there will be a couple of scrimmages here at SoFi Stadium in lieu of the preseason being canceled, and none other than the Dallas Cowboys are scheduled for a couple of scrimmages here.
The only thing else I got to say is, how about them Cowboys? Yeah!
I haven't found a date yet, but it should be sometime later in August. So if that goes down, I'm gonna try to be out here, and I would imagine, since there aren't going to be preseason games, they need to start getting the stadium going as far as the scoreboard and audio video system. So it could be kind of an empty looking preseason game where they do some of that testing while the game's going on, I would imagine. Otherwise, why have it here? And you could just have it somewhere outdoors, like over at their training camp facility. So I haven't heard a date yet, hard date when this is going to happen, but anybody knows, please comment down below. It looks like some of the lighting has turned on as far as those handrails go, which are definitely going to be out this year. Well, besides, even if fans were in there, I'm sure they would have yellow taped that. So that's a no-go for this season. But they sure look nice at night, illuminated. We're still gonna have some more of these traffic signal lights to move, because they're still kind of in a temporary position when they widen the street area. You see, these things are in a temporary zone. They're gonna have to, I'd imagine, push those back. You see how these poles are secured temporarily. That again, just like everything else, you just put that on the back burner, since we don't really need to worry about 70,000 people coming here next month. And over here at the southern end, I haven't seen the lights over here in a while. But unfortunately it's getting dark, so I'm gonna head on out of here. But I'll be back with another exciting daytime update very soon.